In this video, I will show you how to set up a homepage in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Pages, then click Add New. Create a new page and name it Home. You can design it using the block editor or Elementor depending on your setup. Once your homepage design is ready, click Publish. Now go to Settings and click Reading. Under the Your Homepage Displays option, select a static page. Then from the Homepage dropdown, choose the page you just created called Home. If you want, you can also select a separate blog page for your posts. After selecting your settings, click Save Changes. Now open your website and you will see your new homepage displayed as the main front page of your site instead of the default blog page. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel